We're given a problem of two trains again, where the trains are traveling in the same direction and are leaving at the same time. So train A is traveling at 60 miles an hour, and train B is traveling at 90 miles an hour. And we're supposed to find out when these two trains are 240 miles apart from each other. So let's consider this. So let's say S of A is equal to the speed of A is 60 miles per hour. What this means is that in an hour, this train will have traveled 60 miles. That's what speed means. S of B is speed of B, which is 90 miles per hour. So that means that this train will have traveled 90 miles in 1 hour if we are given a time of 1 hour. So let's consider our train tracks. So let's just be for train A, and let this be for train B. Okay, and let this be the station. And we know that they leave the station at the same time. Let's consider, for simplicity's sake, trains travel for 1 hour. So let this be the distance that they travel. So as we know, for A, the speed is 60 miles per hour. So in hour, this train will have traveled 60 miles. So the 60 will be the distance traveled by A in 1 hour. Similarly, for B, 90 miles will be the distance traveled by B in 1 hour. Okay, distance traveled as you notice that the speed of B is more than the speed of A. So that means that train B has traveled some extra distance. So this extra distance is 30 miles, which is the difference between the speed of A and B and A. So this is the extra distance traveled by B in 1 hour. So another way to write this is speed of B minus speed of A is equal to 30 miles per hour. And if you are looking at just 1 hour, so that will be 30 miles is the extra distance traveled by B in 1 hour. Okay. Now consider this. Like, we know that in 1 hour, train B travels 30 miles extra. We're supposed to find out when these two trains are apart by 240 miles. So what this means is that in 1 hour, these two trains are apart by 30 miles. So 30 miles apart in 1 hour. So if they're supposed to be apart by 240 miles, then how many hours is that going to be? How many hours? So we know that in 1 hour, these two trains are apart by 30 miles. That's the distance between distance traveled by B and the distance traveled by A. So another easier way to say it is this is equal to 240 divided by the number of miles that they're apart in 1 hour. 240 is the total distance that they need to be apart, and 30 miles is the distance that they're apart by 1 hour, which is 8 hours. And that's how you solve this problem. So these